Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Norwood, and hashtag Two Crafters, One Design is hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. And so this week's theme was thank you. Let's jump right in, and I am going to show you what I use to create my thank you cards. And so starting out, I use this Time for Tea stamp and die set, which is from my Creative Time, and I am using Thanks So Much. And I use its coordinating die as well. My favorite things, I am using both of these papers here, and this is Wood Grain Whimsy. And so that's what I'm using for the papers. And then this set here is from LDRS, and I'm using the largest doily. Spellbinders, I am using this parcel and post mailbox, and I'm only using the flowers. And then I'm also using this set here, which is from my Creative Time. It's an older one. It is retired, and this is called Big Pretty Roses. So I just colored up some roses. Well, I colored up a rose, which is this one, and the little vase, and I used that same thank you die set from the other one. There goes the dies from the back on the back side. And then that is it. And let me show you my cards. Oh, love how they look. Here we go. And so as you see, this says thanks so much. And who am I thanking? Well, I'm thanking you all. Everyone who comes every week to come visit my channel, Gloria's channel, and Lisa's channel. And for the ones who have entered the challenges that we put out every Saturday, we just want to say thank you. And yeah, so anyways, love how this turned out. I had these all made up already. I actually had this colored up, put it all together, and it just turned out to be a beautiful card. I absolutely love it. There goes the inside, and then here goes this one here. Love those little blue gems I decided to add on there, and I thought that just turned out so pretty, colored up. It just looks amazing. And then I also used that little doily set again there, and there goes the inside of that. Now, so surprise, surprise, this is a giveaway. What do you have to do for my giveaway? You have to say flowers, just so that I know that you want to enter, and then like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment with flowers in it. Make sure you have that S on there too. All right, so that's all you have to do for my giveaway, and I'll show you what I'm giving away when I do the giveaway, because I don't have it yet. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. Make sure you come back next week, and you will see who won the giveaway and what I'm giving away. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.